Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Sharks Quiz 3rd edition. This contest is between Manna International School and Services Primary and JHS, right? Let's clap for the two schools as they have joined me on stage. My name is Rachel Ano and I am your host. Let's get to know the contestants.
Techibre for Abigail.
Owusu Maxwell. Ananbedu Jeffrey.
Adongo William Sefrin.
Okay, that was the introduction for Manna International School. Let's take that of Services Primary and JHS.
Uncle Lloyd.
Gato Shadrach.
Vincent Ofeaoku.
Aneta Diejong.
Wow, beautiful Services Primary and Junior High School. Contestant, we have 4 rounds to go in this contest, which is the 1/4 stage. The first round is the right corner. The right corner round, I give you 8 questions. You answer for me within 3 minutes. Is that okay? If you answer correctly, you have 10 points. If you answer wrongly, there is no deduction at this point. I'm starting with Manna International School. Are you ready? Good. When did Tanzania gain her independence? Tanzania, when did it gain her independence? Yes?
1962.
1962 is correct for 10 points. What is the currency of Angola? Yes, Bedu?
Angolan dinar.
That's incorrect. It's Kwanzaa. Which African country is referred to as shrimps? Yes?
Cameroon.
Cameroon is correct for 10 points. Which is the largest lake in the world? Yes?
Lake Victoria.
That's incorrect. It's the Caspian Sea. Which people celebrate Kwafie Festival? Yes, Anan?
Pass.
Pass. It's Brekum and Doma. Where in Ghana can we find the Nagbewa Shrine? Nagbewa Shrine. Yes?
Pusiga.
Pusiga is correct. Where is the capital of Upper East Region? Yes?
Bolgatanga.
Bolgatanga is correct. Which people celebrate the Manyam Festival? Yes?
Menya Krobo.
Menya Krobo people, and you are right. That is it for Manna International School for the right corner round. Services Junior High School. Who is the first president of Benin?
Pass.
Okay, it's Hubert Maga. Which is the longest river in Africa? Yes, Hongu?
River Nile.
River Nile is correct. Which part of Africa is known as the Banadif Coast? Yeah, Hongu?
The eastern coast of Africa.
Yes, East Africa is right. East Africa. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? Yes?
Arctic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean is correct. Where is the capital of Afghanistan? Yes?
Kabul.
Kabul is correct. What is the full meaning of Nagrat? Yes, Hongu?
National Association of Graduate Teachers.
Correct, for 10 points. What is the currency of Morocco? Yes?
The dinar.
The dinar? No, that's incorrect. When did Ghana join the UNO? Yes?
1957.
1957 is correct. Let's clap for Services Junior High School. And this is the end of the first round.
Whenever Princess starts, the neighbors do complain that her voice and the beats are too loud. Who is scared of the voices of tomorrow's superstars?
You special in your way.
It's me, like no other.
No one else can do it like you.
It's me, like no other. I play the drum. I can sing. Like no other. I can dance. Like no other. I'm talented. I can draw. I can be myself. It's me.
That must be a neighbor.
You special in your way.
It's me, like no other.
No one else can do it like you.
It's me, like no other.
nurture the uniqueness in our kids.
Indomie instant noodles tastes great. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
At the end of the first round, we have services primary and junior high school amassing 60 points, 60 points. And Manna International School has 50 points, 50. So we move on to the second round, which is the R cubed round. Questions both on writing, reading, and arithmetic. Each school is posed the question for maximum of 10 points when answered rightly. Wrong answer attracts 5 points deduction. So you answer correctly, you get 10 points. You answer wrongly, minus 5. So I'm starting with services, junior high school. From the groups of words, lettered A to D. This is a preamble to both schools, so you also listen. From the groups of words lettered A to D, choose the one which most suitably fills the gap in the sentence. Services. Not only was she pretty dash intelligent. Not only was she pretty dash intelligent. A or B but also. A or B but also. C nor D and also. Yeah, Netta?
But also.
But also is correct. Manna, of the 3 girls, Abena is the dash. A shorter, B more shorter, C shortest, D more short. Yes, Abigail?
Shortest.
Shortest is right. 10 points. Preamble to both teams. In each of the following sentences, a group of words have been underlined. You choose from the alternatives lettered A to D, the one that best explains the underlined word. The one that best explains the underlined word. Services. It is difficult for most people to make ends meet these days. Make ends meet these days. This means that most people A. live comfortably, B. are unable to eat good food, C. are unable to live within their incomes, D. buy expensive clothes. Yeah?
Unable to live within their income.
That is correct for 10 points. Manna International. AC was good, a leader that we were all encouraged to take a leaf out of her book. To take a leaf out her book. This means we were all encouraged to A. try and beat her record, B. take her advice, C. treat her with respect, D. follow her example. Yes?
Follow her example.
Follow example is correct. Choose from the alternatives the expression that best explains the idiom. Services Junior High School, all agog. You have A. everybody, B. all ready, C. restless, and then D. almighty. Okay, bonus. It is restless. The next, Manna International, you have to cross swords. To cross swords. A. to fight, B. to defend, C. to kill, D. to rob. Yes, Anan?
To defend.
That's incorrect. Bonus? Yes.
To fight.
To fight is correct for 5 points. Services Primary and Junior High School. Pa wants to cut 4 centimeter squares of a rectangular piece of paper that has length 98 centimeters and breadth 74 centimeters. Find the greatest number of 4 centimeter squares that Joseph, who is called Pa, can cut from the piece of paper. Yes.
1,803.
That's incorrect. Yes, what did you get?
1,813.
That's incorrect too. It is 432. Manna, container A and B had the same amount of liquid at first. When 495 milliliters of the liquid was poured from container A into container B, container A contained 3 as 8 much liquid as container B. How much liquid was in container A at first? Okay. Bonus. It is 1,089 milliliters. 1,089 milliliters. Consider the following pattern. A1 is equal to 12. A2 is equal to 19. A3 is equal to 26. A4 is equal to 33. If AX is equal to 383, find the value of X. Bonus. Okay, the answer is 54. X is 54. This operation synthetic form is used to factor polynomials. This operation can be performed by subtracting the logarithms of the operands. This operation is equivalent to multiplying a star reciprocal. For 10 points, name this arithmetic operation that gives a quotient and the remainder. Yes, Maxwell?
Division.
Division is correct for 10 points. Services. Betty collects sports posters. Betsy collects sports posters. Exactly one of the statements below is false. Exactly one of the statements below is false. Betty has at least 11 sports posters. Betty has at least 20 sports posters. Betsy has at least 24 sports posters. Betsy has at least 28 sports posters. What is the greatest possible number of posters in Betty's collection? Bonus. The answer is 27. I'll take my present. Manna, the last question to you. How many positive 3-digit numbers have exactly 3 factors? Okay, bonus.
Pass.
Okay, now it has been passed, so I can pass to anyone in green. It's waiting for the pass. It is 7. Let's clap for the contestants for this round, the end of the second round.
Bake it. It's original, you gotta take it. Macberry, bake with love. Macberry, original. Macberry, see we love it, everybody love it. Mama and Papa, them love it. Macberry be the biscuit, be the picking them secret. Macberry be the biscuit, and they give everybody when they visit me. Macberry, originally baked with love. Macberry, baked with love. Macberry, original. Macberry, baked with love. Macberry, original. Macberry, originally baked with love.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
At the end of the second round, Manna International School and Services Junior High School both have 30 points. 30 points each. We move on to the third round. The third round, any school can buzz in anytime while I'm reading the question. Can buzz in at any time. You answer rightly, you have 10 points. If you answer wrongly, I subtract 5 from your points. Questions will be read fully and immediately passed on to other school for chance of bonus, which is worth 10 points. This time the bonus is not 5 points, it is what? 10 points, yes. Complete the following chemical reaction. Potassium iodide plus HCl equals, yes, Emmanuel?
Potassium chloride plus hydrogen iodide.
That's incorrect. Yes, services?
Potassium iodide plus hydrochloric acid.
I am sorry, there will be no reaction. Before Dmitri Mendeleev was a scientist called Newland. Before Dmitri Mendeleev was a scientist called Newland. He proposed the law. What is the name of this law? It's the Newland's law of octaves. Newland's law of octaves. Fine. Sorry. Fish sense movement in water using, okay, Manna?
Lateral line.
Lateral lines is correct. Lateral lines is correct for 10 points. Unlike bacteria, these structures can pass through Chamberlain filters. For 10 points, name these things that can have genomes or genomes comprised of DNA or RNA. Okay, they are viruses. Viruses can have that. This term refers to any virus such as T2 that can infect bacteria. It is the bacteriophage. Bacteriophage. What enzyme is activated during labor? Yes, Emmanuel?
Oxytocin.
Oxytocin is correct for 10 points. I am one of the most poisonous fish in the sea. I am about 1,200 times poisonous than cyanide. For a person to feed on me, I require a chef of 2 years training. Who am I? I am called the puffer fish or puffer fish. Puffer. What term is applied to a convex concave lens with 2 different radii of curvature? This term is used because of such a lens resemblance to a shape that a liquid surface forms due to capillary action. Oh, mine is the meniscus. Meniscus. What quantity is given by the opposite of the ratio of the distance to the virtual image to the distance of the object? Generally, lenses of which this quantity is relevant make the object appear larger. Yes, Emmanuel, or who is taking Maxwell?
Magnification.
Magnification is correct. The last one, the grain-oriented form of this substance incorporates about 3% silicon and is used in electrical components. This substance is made up of coke rather than charcoal. Sulfur and nitrogen make this material more brittle, while at least 11% chromium is used to make the stainless tie. Yes, Manna?
Carbon.
That's incorrect. The Bessemer process was the first successful method of mass producing. For 10 points, what metal alloy of carbon and iron? Yes, services?
Steel.
Steel is correct for 10 points. The end of the 3rd round.
When you wake up in the morning before you start your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time. For work and for play, for a great start to your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
We always start our day with
with a nourishing Kellogg's breakfast, powered with the goodness of grains and 11 essential vitamins and minerals. So in our family, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Okay, at the end of the third round. At the end of the third round, Services Junior High School had 5 points. Oh, let's clap for them. Manna International School had 20 points. So good to go for the final round for this contest. It's called the one-on-one round, where we are going to pair the students on the 4 areas. 2 questions will be asked per subject area for 10 points for correct answer, then deduction of 5 for wrong answer. So I'll start with English. In each of the following questions, out of the 4 alternatives, you choose the word that can be substituted for the given words or sentences. So we have to examine one's own thoughts and feelings. To examine one's own thoughts and feelings. You have A, meditation, B, retrospection, C, reflection, D, introspection. Yes,
Reflection. Reflection.
No, reflection is incorrect. Yes, Anand? I can hear, there's the bell. Okay, I thought it was Anand. Sorry. Okay, it is introspection. A man of lax morale. A man of lax morale. A, anecdotes. B, antidotes. C, tale. D, allegory. Okay, it is the anecdotes. Thank you very much, English contestants. Math contestants. Factorize completely. Factorize completely x squared plus 30x plus 225. Okay, you have x plus 15 multiplying x plus 15, both in brackets. Factorize again the expression completely. I have 81x squared minus 144y squared. 81x squared. Okay, Manna.
9x plus 12y in brackets. 9x minus 12y.
Yes, you are right. You are right. Thank you, mathematics contestant. Let's take general knowledge. Who is the current president of South Africa? Yes, Aneta?
Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa.
That is correct. That is correct. How do we call the scoring of 3 goals in football? Okay, it is called a hat-trick. Science contestants. What disease results from silicon? Okay, it is called silicosis. Silicosis. What disease of the eye requires a complete removal? Yes, Gato?
Glaucoma.
That's incorrect. Okay, complete removal as its solution. So it is cataract. The end of the 4th round. Let's clap for the science as the rest come on stage. of the last contest at the quarter-final stage. Happily, I want to announce the scores that Services Junior High School amasses 95 points. And Manna makes it to the semi-finals with 110 points. Manna International School has 110 points. Services Junior High School, well done. You have really made a very good contest. See you in the next edition. Manna International School, congratulations for making it to the semi-final stage.